What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is about Davido. Yes, Davido performed at the YouTube African Academic Day, and it was an amazing one out there. We all know that Davido with his team members, especially Israel DMW, whenever Israel is around Davido, it's an opportunity to get that guy laughing so serious, and exactly that was exactly what he was doing, and you saw him really demonstrate it. Anyway, all of that is what I'll be bringing to you here in this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because your thoughts and your comments are highly welcome.
Music ni mabaku.
Etija comment?
Hey, call me, bro. Hey, bro.
Stop playing, y'all. We go tell the beach. Wait, lower this. Too much money.
I swear.
Yeah, Israel, man. Chama go run out.
Ah, so Chama. Lelo, Chama Dileke. Doctor number 1 will be. Lelo. Oh, Chama. Where's Sabi? Man, what you do? So you I don't get my table my back. See how we do. You should feel man, what you are. Small. So nothing. I mean, 60 for this. No. So, for finish that not for I think control am the answer. Now 18 is perform. Eh? Now 18 is perform. Oh. So you only